It would be really great if for the Maundy Thursday event you could try making your own unleavened bread or flatbread. So I found a video that makes the right number with the right simple ingredients. Of course it's in German, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a voiceover, not because I can translate from German, but because I've looked up what the things mean and have put the ingredients and the basic recipe on the screen for you to see. This isn't the Peter Bowler masterclass on how to make awesome bread that we're looking forward to coming back once we're able to meet together. This is the even Graham could manage it, making some flatbread or unleavened bread for Thursday night. So that's 250 grams of flour. You could probably sieve it in a more competent way than the person making the video. That's 1 teaspoon of salt and 30 millilitres of olive oil. Watch carefully for the instructions on the implement that they're using. 120 millilitres of warm water. It says keep calm and bake, if you're wondering. Then knead it a bit. Knead it a bit more. And a bit more. That looks good, doesn't it? Then divide it into 4 pieces. Make each one of those into a ball. Add some flour to stop it sticking everywhere. And then roll it very flat. I said very flat. Then heat it for about 2 minutes on each side in a large frying pan. And you should see it rise in the middle like a bubble to show that it's done in the middle. There you go. Flatbreads.